What if you could see the exact condition of every part of your car after service? How can you be sure what needs attention now and what can wait? That's exactly why Maruti Suzuki provides the Vehicle Health Card. It's an important, easy to understand report that shows you the detailed assessment of your vehicle's overall health. In today's episode of Factful Fridays, we are diving into a key service must-know, Vehicle Health Card. Think of it like a routine medical checkup, how your doctor gives you a detailed report card of your body vitals. Similarly, when your vehicle comes for its periodic maintenance service at Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop, it goes through rigorous maintenance checkpoints recorded under Vehicle Health Card. Vehicle Health Card is a digital scan of your vehicle. It seamlessly utilizes inputs from advanced diagnostic tools and the expertise of Maruti Suzuki trained technicians to provide an insightful vehicle health summary on critical areas like clutch and transmission, engine, battery, tires, brakes, and many more. This detailed report instills trust, transparency, and reliability, setting our car servicing apart. It gives you the full picture of your vehicle's health, so you can drive with complete confidence. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay informed and stay safe.